I hope everybody is here. So we'll start again. Okay. I'm sharing one page with you. That is a website of my web page, not website, my web page. So you will find a navigation like this. There is a control system. Okay. So in your control system, previously it was meant to before this Microsoft Teams and Google Classroom were there. I used to teach through this online mode also. So over there I am putting all the materials related to all the subject. But over here, in the previous years, I am just putting some videos, YouTube videos, which are interesting. I found interesting while explaining it very. They are explaining very nicely. So I will be sharing the link. So you can see the videos and you can correlate with your subject. Okay. So first we will go through the first video, that is a closed loop control system, open loop control system, and the basics. Okay. So if the voice is not the man-made control system, okay. So this man-made control system is nothing but the automatic turning on and turning off the water pumps. Okay. So by some mechanism we will be able to know if the water is, we need to put the pour the water in the tank or not. The tank will be position of the tank. Structure of a Bluetooth control system. This example is nothing but your eyes and brains. It will be acting as a controller. Okay, legs and hands is nothing but the controller. Okay, and the vehicle is nothing but the system or the plant. Okay, and the output is nothing but the speed. So speedometer will give me the feedback. Okay, and by seeing the speedometer, I'll be giving whether I need to increase the speed or decrease the speed. Okay. Your activity complicated design and can become unstable also. Okay, so this is the example of the basic of your open loop and closed loop control system. Is the audio coming or not?
Not audible, sir.
Not
No
audible.
audio, sir.
No audio.
મારો
No,
અવાજ
sir.
બી કપાઈ કપાઈને આવે.
Okay, just wait. Now, વિડિયોમાં જે ઓડિયો આવે છે કે નથી આવતું?
No, sir, not audible.
ઓકે
નહીં
વેઇટ.
આવતું સર.
પ્લે જ નહીં કર્યું તમે સર, પ્લે નહીં કર્યું.
નહીં પ્લે કર્યા, થોડીક વાર પ્લે કર્યું તમે. Now,
No, sir.
હા સર. નહીં.
is it coming?
No, sir.
નો સર.
Wait.
or pick and place and is used in about
યસ સર.
35% of the robots. There are different types of control systems used in robotics. In open loop control, the
આવે છે અવાજ?
યસ સર.
Yes, sir.
computer sends signals based on the current state without taking into account feedback from the system. This type of system is also called non-servo or pick and place and is used in about 35% of the robots in the United States. In open loop control systems, signals are first sent by a computer controller to the system driver. The system driver then converts those signals into an operation for the process or robot to perform. The system driver can be anything from a pneumatic actuator, a hydraulic flow valve, or an electrical controller. In open loop systems, the program length of time the signal is applied, as well as the integrity of the signal, are critical for ensuring that the new operation is completed. This is because there is no feedback to the computer from the system driver or the robot, and thus no updates to the signal outputs can be made. The term process in this illustration simply means any piece of equipment that accomplishes work. This could be a robotic arm, a motor, or an engine. For the purposes of this module, we'll focus on robots. Once the signal is received, the robot performs the appropriate action. In an open loop system, the signals that go from the computer to the system driver to the robot are never checked with a feedback loop to ensure that the robot has completed its task. A simple example of an open loop system is an industrial sprinkler system. In this example, the programmer updates the computer controller, which will turn the sprinkler on at a designated time. When the computer sends the signal, the water valve will turn on. When the valve turns on, water flows to the sprinkler and drives a motor that allows the sprinkler to simultaneously move along the field and water the crop. Some good examples for open loop control systems are stop and go conveyor systems with constant loading and manufacturing applications with high repeatability and low variation, such as punching holes out of a piece of sheet metal or reorienting work pieces. Material handling and machine tending operations also account for many open-loop design applications. Due to their lack of speed control and lack of flexible work positions, open-loop control is useful for well-defined systems where the relationship between input and the resultant state can be modeled. The positions of the robot can be predetermined and the loading environment does not change. Open-loop control systems are typically low cost due to their simplistic design, high repeatability, and controller simplicity. They should be used where motion is predefined, repeatable, and does not vary. The second type of control system is called closed-loop control or servo control. A servo is a device that uses error-sensing feedback to control the motion of another device. The primary difference in an open versus closed-loop system is the addition of a feedback loop that allows the controller to make adjustments to the robot. In our previous example of a sprinkler, the system was open loop because the controller received no feedback. But if a moisture sensor is added, it becomes a closed loop system. The sensor measures the moisture density of the soil and sends that information back to the computer controller. The computer can then make adjustments to the quantity of water coming from the sprinkler. The advantages of closed-loop control systems include flexible program control, ease of changing programmed points, the capacity for complex manufacturing tasks, and multiple program storage and execution capabilities. These flexible capabilities allow the same machine to utilize multiple programs with different operations based on the work being presented, all without a change in machinery. Closed-loop systems require a larger upfront capital investment and highly skilled maintainers, but the payback comes from a much larger range of capabilities. Closed-loop controllers are used in machining, welding, coating and sealer application, material handling, machine tending, arc and water jet cutting, inspection, and assembly operations.
Okay, so what you have seen in this video, can anybody explain it? Open loop and closed loop control system, what you have learned from these two videos? Rule number 28. Have you gone through the video or not? Rule number 21.
Yes, sir.
Okay, have you seen and hear the video or not?
Sir, જોયો.
Okay, so what you have learned or what you have seen? Can anybody explain me? No? Rule number 22.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you explain me the video? What it was trying to say? કોઈને ના ખબર પડી? અવાજ આવતો હતો કે નતો આવતો?
Sir, can I explain?
No, I want other student.
Okay.
Okay. Only roll number 27 have given means he has given consent. I want to explain it. Rest of the student have not answered. So the punishment for this the student જેટલા બી સ્ટુડન્ટ છે એમની પનિશમેન્ટ એ છે કે આ જે બે વિડીયોઝ જે બતાયા એનું એક્સપ્લેન કરીને મને આજે રાત્રે 12 વાગ્યા પહેલાં લખીને આપશે. ઓકે, રૂલ નંબર 27 સિવાયના બધા સ્ટુડન્ટ જે આ બે વિડીયોઝ બતાવ્યા ને એનામાં જે સમજાયું એ જે સમજેલી વસ્તુ જે છે એ તમારે લખીને મને બતાવવાની છે. ઓકે, જે તમને સમજાયું હોય. ઇઝ ઇટ ઓકે? ઓકે, રૂલ નંબર 12 ઓકે.
Yes, sir.
ઓકે, 14 18 19 20 સંભળાયું ને બધાને શું પનિશમેન્ટ છે?
Yes, sir.
ઓકે, પ્રાઇમરી સ્ટુડન્ટના છોકરાને બી વિડીયો બતાવો ને તો તરત જ એક સ્ટોરી કહે કે આવું આવું થયું આવું આવું થયું. ઓકે, આઈધર યુ આર ટુ મચ બોર્ડ ઓર તમને કંઈ ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ નથી એવું લાગે. I am sharing you one of the incident in the previous year's batch. ઓકે, 2-3 વર્ષ પહેલાંની એક બેચ હતી એમાં આ ફર્સ્ટ આવી રીતે હું વિડીયોઝ બતાવતો હતો ને એમાં બધું સમજાવતો હતો ને એના પછીના 6ઠા કે 7મા લેક્ચર પછી એક સ્ટુડન્ટ શાંતિથી બેસી રહ્યો હતો અને હી વોઝ નોટ ટેકિંગ દેટ મચ ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ. ઓકે, તો પછી મેં એને પૂછ્યું, મેં કીધું કે કેમ તારું ધ્યાન નથી અહીંયા? કે સર આવા બધામાં નથી મજા આવતી, તમે વિડીયોઝ ને એવું બધું બતાવો તો એમાં મને બહુ મજા આવે છે. તો અને એમાં એ આન્સર બી આપતો હતો. ઓકે, તો તમને તો વિડીયોઝમાં બી નથી મજા આવતી. તો વોટ શુડ આઈ ડુ? શું કરું બોલો? રોલ નંબર 14 શું કરું? તમને વિડીયોઝમાં બી નથી મજા આવતી, હવે હું શું કરું? પેલા સ્ટુડન્ટને તો વિડીયોમાં મજા આવતી હતી તો એ કહેતો હતો મને. વોટ શુડ આઈ ડુ નાઉ? ઓકે, 2 વિડીયોઝ મેં બતાવ્યા, એ 2 વિડીયોઝની લિંક તમને અત્યારે મળી જશે. એ બંને લિંક્સ જે છે એ તમારે સમજી વિચારી અને એક પેજમાં લખવાની. ઓકે, કારણ કે તમે હવે લખવા ઉપરથી બહુ દૂર જતા રહો છો. સો આઈ વિલ ડુ ઇટ ઇન ધીસ. ઓકે, એની સાથે બીજા વિડીયોઝની બી લિંક્સ હશે એ જ પેજ ઉપર. યુ નીડ ટુ see that those videos also. We will be going to discuss those videos in our next lecture. Okay, I am repeating that again. Whatever the videos which are present on that page, જે હું લિંક શેર કરીશ અને જે પેજ ઉપર હશે એ પેજ ઉપરના જે વિડીયોઝ તમારે જોવાના છે અને આપણે કાલે ડિસ્કસ કરીશું. ઓકે, હું કોઈને બી રેન્ડમલી પૂછીશ આ વિડીયોમાં તમે શું જોયું અને શું સમજ્યા. ઓકે, ઇફ he or she is not able to answer it, be ready for the next punishment. Am I clear to everyone? Okay, roll number 27 સિવાયના આ બધી જ પનિશમેન્ટ કરવાની છે. આઈ વિલ પોસ્ટ ઇન ધ અસાઇનમેન્ટ સેક્શન. એ ત્યાં તમારે એનો એટેચ કરવાનો છે. ઓકે, those who are having any query they can stay here or can leave.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.